Welcome to a breathtaking journey into the peaceful and vibrant wetlands of Salalah, a place where nature comes alive with the sounds, colors, and movements of beautiful birds. Known for its unique climate and seasonal transformation during the Khareef, Salalah becomes a haven for birdlife, especially in its wetlands, lagoons, and coastal areas. If you are a nature lover, photographer, or traveler seeking calm and beauty, the wetlands of Salalah offer an unforgettable experience filled with diverse bird species, fascinating life cycles, and a deeper connection with nature. Waterway: the magic of wetlands in Salalah. Wetlands are among the most important ecosystems in the world. In Salalah, these include lagoons, estuaries, and coastal water bodies that provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for birds. Places like lagoons near the coast and natural reserves create a perfect habitat where birds can thrive. These areas are rich in fish, insects, and aquatic plants, making them ideal for both resident and migratory birds. During the Khareef season, when mist and light rain cover the region, the wetlands become even more vibrant, attracting birds from different parts of the world. Bird types of birds you can see. The wetlands of Salalah are home to a wide variety of bird species, each with its own beauty and behavior. Flamingos, elegance in motion. One of the most eye-catching birds is the greater flamingo. With its long legs, curved neck, and soft pink color, it creates a stunning sight as it walks gracefully in shallow waters. Bird herons and egrets, silent hunters. Herons and egrets are commonly seen standing still, waiting patiently to catch fish. Their sharp focus and quick movements make them excellent hunters. Ducks and waterfowl. Various species of ducks can be found swimming peacefully across the water. These birds often travel in groups and are especially active during cooler times of the day. Penguin kingfishers, colorful divers. Kingfishers add a splash of bright color to the wetlands. They are known for diving quickly into the water to catch small fish. Eagle: birds of prey. In some areas, you may also spot birds of prey flying above the wetlands, searching for food. Their presence shows the healthy balance of the ecosystem. Counterclockwise arrows: button life cycle of wetland birds. Birds in the wetlands follow a fascinating life cycle that reflects the beauty of nature. Egg stage. The cycle begins when birds lay eggs in carefully built nests. Some build nests on trees, while others create them on the ground or near water. Hatching chick stage. After hatching, chicks depend on their parents for food and protection. During this stage, they grow rapidly and learn basic survival skills. Baby chick juvenile stage. Young birds start exploring their surroundings. They practice flying and feeding, slowly becoming independent. Bird adult stage. Adult birds are fully developed and ready to reproduce, continuing the cycle of life. Migration is also an important part of life for many wetland birds. Some species travel thousands of kilometers to reach Salalah's wetlands, especially during favorable seasons. Globe showing Europe-Africa importance of bird conservation. Birds play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. They help control insects, spread seeds, and contribute to biodiversity. However, many birds face challenges such as habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, human disturbance. Protecting wetlands is essential for the survival of these species. Conservation efforts ensure that birds continue to thrive and future generations can enjoy their beauty. Conservation efforts in Oman. Oman has taken important steps to protect its natural habitats. Wetland areas are preserved to support bird populations and maintain biodiversity. Protected areas and awareness programs help people understand the importance of nature conservation. Responsible tourism also plays a key role in protecting these environments. Camera with flash tourist guide to bird watching. If you are planning to explore the wetlands of Salalah, here are some helpful tips. Sunrise: best time to visit. Early morning and late afternoon are ideal. Birds are most active during these times. Telescope: what to bring. Binoculars for better viewing. Camera for capturing moments. Comfortable clothing. Shushing face behavior tips. Stay quiet and move slowly. Keep a safe distance from birds. Avoid disturbing nests. Respect nature. Do not litter. Follow local guidelines. Respect wildlife habitats. Glowing star peaceful experience. Watching birds in wetlands is not just an activity, it is a peaceful experience. The gentle sound of water, the soft calls of birds, and the fresh air create a calming atmosphere. It is a perfect way to relax, connect with nature, and enjoy the beauty of life around you. Sunrise final voiceover closing. The wetlands of Salalah are a hidden treasure filled with life, color, and harmony. From graceful flamingos to swift kingfishers, every bird adds its own charm to this natural paradise. Understanding their life cycle, appreciating their role in nature, and supporting conservation efforts allow us to protect this beautiful ecosystem. So, the next time you visit Salalah, take a moment to explore its wetlands. Watch the birds, listen to their songs, and experience the peaceful beauty that makes this place truly special. Because in the quiet waters of Salalah, nature tells a story of life, balance, and incredible beauty.